Stop loss still 906.
Are you in a trade?
Yes, sir.
Oh, you took the shorts this morning.
Yes, sir.
Atta boy. All right, I see you, my boy.
Still on this trade.
Bro's starting off the day. Trading day with some moves. I see you.
3 minutes on here, guys. 3 minutes on just in case we are at close to the opening. Close break even.
Yeah, I feel you, bro. That's awesome.
Thank you.
Bro caught a winner to start the day. That's what's up. That is what's up.
This trade,
what's up, Jonathan? Good morning, bro.
If you're on this trade, keep it tight. We are at the opening, okay? Close to the opening.
Good morning, my guy. What's up? What's up? What's up? We got a good week.
On this trade, probably 837.
Hey!
837.
Nice job, Greg.
Thank you. 3 minutes or more.
Graham stole my glasses, everybody. Graham stole my glasses on accident.
Hey, what a trade.
Nice job, Greg. Wow.
Thank you. 3 more. Stop loss in profit now. 837, guys. 837. 4 hour level. Come on, baby. Keep going down. Don't be shy. Don't be shy.
Might need to call Grandma and say, you know what? I know you stole my glasses, but the least you can do is give us a nice winning trade. You're 3 for 3 the last few days.
Thank you go, guys. Beautiful trade. Who took this trade with me? What a beautiful, huge trade for Monday. Before making money before 9:30. That's what we want.
Nice job.
Thank you.
That was great. That was a banger.
837, guys. 837.
This is why y'all got to be in the Discord. Greg called a
837.
banger. He sent out a text alert this morning at 7:06 or 9:06 Mountain Time.
Man. Give me one more.
Insane.
Are we going to get a mega trade at the opening? We'll see.
Mega trade at open. I'm here for it.
Yeah, this 837 is strong level. We need to break this first. Let's see if we break it. Why I took this trade? I have my weekly level 888, 24888. Price action was showing below this weekly level, orange. If you go to my charts, the admin watch list, open the charts, you will see the orange line, 2488. Price was below this level. The reason why I took the trade. Stop loss in profit.
Let's get it, y'all. Market's open. Trade smart, trade safe today. Let's go. Let's get it. 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 Happy and good Monday morning, everybody. I'm hyped to be here with y'all. It is a blessing to trade with you beautiful people every day.
Stop loss in profit, guys. Stop loss in profit, please. Don't let it go raise.
And I don't know when and long. I don't know. Let's get it, everybody. I'm also going to be slowly incorporating some more options trades for us too, everybody. If you remember, I only used to trade options back in the day. And just looking at the data, I think there's been some really good setups I've been missing out on. Trading SPY, QQQ. And we're going to be trading some options again here and there. What do y'all think about that? Who's ready for Jdun to call some SPY puts? That's what I'm talking about. Some SPY puts for the squad. Maybe some Tesla calls. F around, get some Tesla calls up in here.
Runner stop buying profit, guys. Two shorts.
What a short.
Great close.
Nice move down.
That was great.
Yes, so let's find another trade. Touching 888 again very soon. See what happened here. Maybe waiting for a case.
Love to her windows. What's up, Grizzly Glock? Good morning, bro.
Good morning.
Where's everyone in Team Bull checking in from this morning? Talk to me. Where are we all checking in from? What is the location this morning? I'm curious where everyone's checking in from while we let the market heat up. In my basement. All right, Brandon. Elizabeth, Colorado. All right.
Yeah.
Detroit, House, Phoenix. What? So it's like 7 a.m. and 100 degrees? No mommies.
East Tennessee.
Brokeville, USA. I hope that's not your city.
Yes.
Laguna Beach, Dallas, Texas. All right. Hey, Thornton. I used to live up in Thornton, Colorado. That's dope. That was my hood. Connecticut. Hey, the capital of Connecticut is Hartford. I remember that because in elementary school they said connect eye cut, like heart surgery. Hartford, Connecticut, baby. Where's the Hartford folks? Couldn't tell you how many people were there. I couldn't even tell you a single thing about it, but I do know it's the capital.
We are rejecting AA again. Reject perfectly.
Finland. Reminds me of that WWE wrestler. My name's Finley, and I love to fight. I used to love WWE. That was my shit. Yes, go Denver. Go Denver tonight. Go Denver. So in 5 minutes, I'm just waiting, guys. I also don't have my glasses today. Grandma accidentally snagged her glasses. She's getting a little older. Put them in her purse. Found them this morning, so I will not have glasses until Wednesday morning, which we all know we've been on a crazy win streak. Quinn streak with Jdun as 4 eyes. So we'll just have to see. I was saying earlier, how about this? If I take a trade and I lose, it's not my fault. It's the glasses' fault. If I win, well, then obviously, no, it's my credit. So Grandma has the glasses. What could that mean for the market? Yo, what's good? TikTok and YouTube. As a reminder, what is one
shorts?
Oh, wait, Greg's in shorts. You're in shorts? You say you're
No. You're asking what it means. I say I mean shorts.
Oh, never mind. Okay. Greg's not in shorts, sorry. Greg's not in shorts.
So guys, we are rejecting
all right, I gotta mute this. Hold on. I love you, Greg. Just in a talkative mood this morning. So I was gonna say, 1 week from today, guys, is my free 3-day masterclass starting on October 6th. So if you are not registered yet, do yourself and your future self and your future trading a service and get registered right now. If you're in TikTok, it's on my profile. And if you're on YouTube, it's down in the description below. I will also post it right now and pin it in the comments. If you want to hear Greg and the team, join the Discord, bro. We're on Zoom every day. All right, guys, I'm going to pin this on YouTube. If you're not registered yet, take a moment and get registered for my 3-day free masterclass. I'm teaching everything, my system, my psychology tips, how I stay disciplined, my strategy, what I look for in key levels. Every single thing I use in my trading, I'm breaking down for you for 3 days. Appreciate y'all being here as well. Make sure you guys hit that like button on the live too. We got almost 400 people on the YouTube right now. How many likes we got? How do we got 19 likes? Come on now. Let's get this up to at least 150 plus. Hit that like button for good luck today. Hit that like button for good luck today and some green trades. I do my best to help you guys pass your challenges, get funded, and get paid every day. All I ask is for some love back from y'all. Come on now. What are you watching for today? Grizzly Glock? Got any levels on watch? Yo, guys, I just got a code with Alpha Futures too. And I've been testing 2 things. I just got a code with Alpha Futures. So if you guys are trading with Alpha Futures, if you like Top Step, they're very similar, but a little bit better in my opinion. So you can use code Jdun for 10% off and all the best discounts always with Alpha Futures. The link's below in the YouTube description. I've also been testing out this options prop firm, which I think is pretty dope. You can get funded for options trading and for equity trading as well. And they've never denied a payout. It's pretty dope, huh? In over a year, they've never denied a payout. So I've been testing that. I'll let you guys know what I think by the end of the week. Do we need to ask Grandma her bias? I'll have it for you. Once I can verify, once I have everything I need.
The same technique, I go to 2 step backs on the
I'll have a code with them. And I'll be able to back them with my full trust and faith. Until then, I can't do that. It's getting closer. We're just not quite there. But yeah, for now, I also just got an Alpha Futures code. Alpha has some great rules. I really like. I like what they're doing a lot. They remind me a lot of Top Step, but just a little better. Nice Nvidia, but let's see. Shout out to you and Team Bull. I got 2 friends who were able to join because of the lives. Let's go. Do what you want. Let's lock in some moolah today, everybody. We got 5 more minutes till our opening range is in. This Tesla long right here actually looks decent too. First candle was a little larger than I'd like. I feel down. Let's see if this Tesla long plays out. 5 minute and 1 minute, it's looking like it wants to move up. Not exactly the volume I love, but it looks decent. We'll see. I haven't taken it. I'll let you guys know if I take anything. Where is Mr. Gene? Sleeping Beauty is not here yet. Don't work out. Don't work. All right, let's find ourselves a winning trade, my friends. Let's find ourselves a winning trade. Appreciate y'all being here. If you're on YouTube, make sure you guys hit that like button. If you're on TikTok, make sure y'all slam that screen, hit that like button over and over. Just tap that screen over and over. Every time you click it, you get more good luck. These Tesla longs are not doing what I want them to do. Didn't take it, but from a system standpoint, I wasn't late today. I've been on for 10 minutes before open. What do you mean? All right, Team Bull. More longs at all-time highs, huh? That's just the theme nowadays, huh? Sheesh. Oh, whoops. Coming.
I've just been muted when everyone last.
Look at that Nvidia. Nvidia's having a massive daily breakout. Oh, thank you, bro. How is Boots? He's always eating, bro. That horse is so fat. But I love him. That's my horse. Sleeping Beauty's finally here, guys.
You over here body shaming a horse or what?
No, there's
Really?
this.
Leave that horse alone.
There's these horse stables I drive by. There's this big horse, bro. This massive Clydesdale. And he's brown, but he's got 4 feet that are white. So I named him Boots. I drive by and I'm like, where's Boots? What's up, Boots? It's funny. It's like he has owners that are probably like, they just have no idea. There's this random guy who trades who has taken virtual ownership of their horse and named him Boots. I'm like, yeah, that's my horse. That's my horse. Mr. Boots. Mr. Boots.
What a pump up. Anybody seen this pump? Yes. Do we have some news on that previous 5 minute?
I'm going to hit the orb. 894, 866. Yeah, technically speaking, we go down and test that. I think it's Nvidia. Nvidia is really pumping this morning. Wow. I was really hoping we can get that pull back down to that orb high or low. Or the orb high, excuse me.
I like longs here.
And the volume looks good.
Yeah.
The volume looks
I tried
great.
some down around. I haven't tried some, everyone. NQ longs. Got filled up to 927.
Grizzly tried the longs, guys. Grizzly tried the longs.
I will add more
Grizzly
if we push back down to that 15-minute range high.
Calls are longs.
917 area.
I actually think that looks pretty good as far as volume goes. I just don't trade breakouts. Don't worry, if I traded this breakout with you, we know exactly what direction it would head.
Right here's my entry, everyone. Right in this area.
This is Grizzly's entry down
Yeah,
here.
breakout trades are always lighter size. I think everyone knows that, though, that trades with me by now.
I'll join in the longs with.
You got a second chance to get in there at that 927 if you didn't.
So I'll join y'all in the longs for your test 910 down to 895. I hope you guys crush it.
This volume says up.
I know it does.
Up, way up.
All right, guys. Grizzlies still in the longs. I'm waiting for a pullback. Grizzlies in the longs. I actually think it looks pretty good too.
Gonna rip up.
Mondays are also my least profitable day.
I'm taking a trim up there, everyone.
Bro wants a trim. Early trim.
Early trim. Breakout trades make me nervous.
Me too.
Stop loss is at 927.
Nice one, man. Nice trade.
Appreciate it. Locking in some sushi money at least if it hits that. Go in.
Sam literally went right above your 27 stop, bro.
Told you, 1 point away.
That's crazy.
There's another trade to be made here. Even if we do rip here, if we pull back and retest and I do get stopped out, I consider another long trade. Is anybody in this trade with me? Volume's gonna have more. This candle's gonna have more volume than the previous.
I'd love to see a pullback to pre-market high. That's what I really want to see.
It's 950 before it does.
I know it is.
There we go. Keep going.
Ain't no trading team like Team Bull, everybody. That's just facts. Ain't no trading team like Team Bull. No trading team like Team Bull. Those QQQ calls or NQ longs moving.
What's the calls doing? Are they moving well?
Decent.
There we go.
Nice job, bro.
That was my main trim spot up there. Quick, that 950. You may get a second chance to trim if you didn't there. I only have one left, so like I said.
Woo.
About to get a second chance to trim right here.
Nice trade, bro.
Appreciate it. I moved my stops into profit just a little bit because I want to give this last runner a little room.
Legit trading with you, teaching me to be a patient person, taking 2 trades and happy with them. That's amazing. There's honestly no better trading team than Team Bull. Between myself and my team, we have over 30 years of experience. All you have to do is hit that follow button if you're on TikTok or hit that subscribe if you're on YouTube every single day. Also, if you're trading with prop firms, I appreciate you guys using code Jdun. I make these streams free for you guys every single day. Help you guys learn, level up, and win. If you're trading with Apex,
25,000 would be
Alpha Futures, Tradeify, or FFF, use code Jdun.
I like TTD for a swing trade or like a leap trade. Right in this area, down to like.
Let's go, Venom.
Low 40s, between 47 here to like low 40s. I like shares on TTD.
Let's see here.
All right, trade's over for me on that one. We'll look for re-entry if we get low.
Nice job, bro.
High. Thanks, man.
Technically speaking, this could be a re-entry down here, but I want to see a little lower to pre-market high. This very well could be.
Did miss that bounce, but like 5 points. That area I was watching.
I know. I wanted to see pre-market high, like 910. Still kind of stagnant on SPY. The S&P is kind of lagging a little bit. Nasdaq's leading the way today.
We do have some news at 10. Got a Fed speaker, and we have home sales at 10.
This market is so strong. Oh my gosh, look at that. Grizzly new high a day.
I know it.
Damn, that Aubrey test was nasty. Unfortunately.
It's crazy. It's crazy it didn't quite get to it, though, just right before it.
I know. I wanted to see a move back into this whole 918 down to like 910. I would have 110% taken it had we went in there. That's okay. It's Monday. It's early in the week. I also don't have my glasses. I don't like trading without my glasses. They're my good luck charm. And I can see better. Damn. That volume didn't lie, did it, Grizzly?
No, it didn't. It was crazy. What's the ES doing? ES is still within your range, Jdun.
I know. It's still in the 15-minute range. Lower volume on this candle, but... Huh.
Crazy price action, though.
I like Top Step. I was just saying with Alpha Futures, oh my gosh, I just got a code and it's similar to Top Step. There is some things that I like more about it, though. One thing being that they have Trade of 8, too. Oh my gosh, what a kill candle. What a kill candle.
Yes, at point of control. Bouncing a little there.
Need to get my book map pulled up. I don't have it up. So I can read my order flow.
It's crazy how much stronger NQ is than ES.
I do have an Alpha Futures code. You can use code Jdun on alphafutures.com. I appreciate you supporting. I actually really like Alpha Futures and what they're doing. I just got a partnership with them. There's also no activation fee on the advanced accounts right now, and on Wednesday. So check this out. If you want an Alpha Futures account today, you can. But Wednesday and Thursday, I will have an exclusive discount. No other code will do what my code will do this coming Wednesday and Thursday. So if you'd like it a little cheaper, then just hold off. And just hold off till Wednesday and Thursday, my friends, and I got you. I'll help you guys pass the rest of the week too. I help you guys pass every day, but you'll be passing for cheaper. In my drop top. Armstone. That was a nice trade, Grizzly. Nice job. Nice way to start the Monday.
It is, man. I'm going to see if we can get that retest again. If we dip below, come back out of it, I may consider a long entry down there still. Like retest that zone completely.
In my drop top. I still like pre-market high. This whole zone in here looks pretty solid. I'll mark it out on screen share. ES is kind of flat today. SPY, ES. Tesla downtrend. Nvidia trying to catch a bid at this 183. I'd like to see a little lower on Nvidia.
Are you guys in a trade or?
Nope.
Okay.
No one's in trades. We're just hanging. What about you, Greg? What are you looking for? What are you looking for, my guy?
Looking for shorts.
Ooh, I like your language. You know I love me some shorts. You know I love me some shorts.
Like jorts.
I love jorts and I love shorts. I do happen to love both.
Well, let's gonna wait for the news.
News right now. We're gonna get high day. Might be one of those days we just slowly uptrend. No mames. New high day. Yup. Green share entries. Let's go. Discipline over dopamine. All right, let's see here. Maybe a little flag action into the zone. Oh, that'd be nice. That would be very nice. A little flag action into our demand zone. Appreciate all y'all being here and making it a part of your daily routine to join me for live trading. When you join this stream, I want you guys to stay focused and stay disciplined every single day. Every single day. That's what I want you guys focused on.
Like in the shorts. Thank you, shorts.
Greg in the shorts. Greg in the
Caught me off guard with that one, Greg. I thought you was looking for longs.
No, looking for shorts. Entry 932. Stop loss is at 52.
Yeah, I'm also live on YouTube, everybody, on TikTok. Jdun Trades, if you want full screen share. We have a great YouTube community. Join me every single morning. Just go and type in Jdun Trades. You get full screen share. Very similar lag. I have not called any trades yet today. What do I think of Coinbase, the stock, or or how the company operates? Dot. Getting close.
My entry is 932. For our level, that's my reason to enter the trade. For our level and price action showing below.
Dot. No trades for me yet, guys. No trades for me. If you guys are new here, you know that Mondays are typically my slower day. All right, how are we doing, YouTube? Are we above? We're at 92 likes. Come on, get us above 100 likes. If you like discipline over dopamine, hit that like button. Come on. Come on, money team. I know y'all got it in you. Show some love, my friends. Come on. I know y'all got it in you. How's your morning going, Gene? Any trades for you? Sure, Gene be trading Asia session. Crazy. You make a lot a day or a week. Yeah, but I want to make more. I want to make more, Team Bull.
I missed my bounce area again. If it bounces early again.
Yep. Looks like I might miss mine too.
I was going to try some just under that 920, but just didn't get down there.
If we got in the zone, I'm 100% trying longs. Just been waiting on that zone. Trend up days at all-time highs are just not my favorite. I mean, I'll capitalize on them and I'll make money off them. It's just not my favorite price action to trade. Not my favorite price action to trade. Is it true August and September are the hardest months? I was killing it earlier this year, and the past 2 months have been terrible for me. Well, traditionally speaking, August can be a bit slower with volatility, but September is usually solid if you like volatility. If you don't trade volatility well, then it probably isn't very solid for you. You know what I'm saying? I look like that one dude. Is that a good thing or a bad thing? I look like Wolverine. There we go. That's a good thing. From Dude Perfect. I haven't seen them forever. No, there's only like a 5-second delay or so. It's not too bad. It's not too bad. Yo, as a reminder, if you guys are trading, bro is far from Wolverine.
My stop loss is 950.
If you guys are trading on prop firms, make sure you guys get yourself funded below. You can get 80% off Apex right now with code Jdun, and Greg stopped out and then move up. And 10% off Alpha Futures using code Jdun. The retest is working. I have no part of it, though. I want it lower. I have no part of that retest. I want it lower. I got about another hour and 20 minutes here, so I'm going to give the market another hour 20. Looks like this might be a rally base rally. Rallied up, base here, and then rally up next. Oh my gosh. Grizzly. Why didn't they give us that retest, bro?
It's just messing with us. Look at how close it was. Oh, like 3 points away, or 2 points away, or something like that.
Wow, bro. Wow. That is foul. They didn't give us that. Maybe we are going for 25K.
I don't doubt it.
Noodles FN said, Jdun, I made over 100K in payouts from January to July, and since I haven't seen any money from trading, do you have any advice? Well, what happened? What does your data say? What's up, Swoosh? What's up, bro? Don't take this the wrong way. I don't care what your emotions say. I want to know, what does your data say? What started going wrong? That's where we always have to look first when our trading isn't going how we want, is what is the data saying? What are your stats saying? Are you taking too many trades? Are you trying different setups? Do you trade long side? Do you trade short side better? You need to take accountability on each of your data sets and what's working well and what's not working. And typically you can find answers. You can find answers pretty quick.
Well, we're retesting the 30-minute range.
Our emotions will lie to us a lot. Our data does not lie. Not much, at least.
Yeah, that Tesla bounce hit a little early. I was wanting a little lower down.
It's interesting because NASDAQ's pumping. Kickoff is pumping, but Nvidia is kind of flat. Want to come say hi, Gene? Sure. I could use the restroom. All right, guys. Mr. Gene's coming to say hi and give his analysis. Be nice.
What's up, guys?
What's up, Gene?
How's it going?
Doing good, man. How's your morning?
Pretty good. I had a great weekend. Me and Jdun were up in the mountains all weekend. I do like fish holes. I don't live trades Asian. Maybe that could be a thing in the future. You'd be bored there. I only take scalps. I regret not holding from last night. Let's see. I was in at 741 last night and got out at 755.
What's that?
I was in at 741 last night and it never dipped back below it last time.
Damn. Jdun, are your feet tickle? What the fuck? We've reached the foot fetish algorithm. Well, welcome, foot fetish algorithm. I got a few things to say. If you want to be able to pay for all the Feet Finder accounts you can have, I'm talking you can buy as many feet accounts as you'd like. Just tap in, hit that follow button, and learn to trade with me. I will fund your feet fetish to the best of my ability. I got you, my bro. They're not going to be my feet. You can pay for someone else's feet, bro. These toes, these dogs are off limits. You can go buy someone else's dogs. What's up, Mr. Gene? We found the foot algo. Funding foot fetishes. That's the new prop firm name. I was the founder of FFF. What I didn't tell you is it wasn't the Funding Futures family. It was the Funding Foot Fetishes. That's the new. I'm never gonna be able to look at FFF the same, bro. Why did I just do that to myself? Now when I tell you guys to use code JDUN with FFF, I'm gonna start thinking about foot fetishes. No mames. No mames at all. Oh, what is the NASDAQ going to do for us? We're getting this higher low here, previous high of day. Test back down. Let's see. What's Alpha Trading's evaluation? They have 1 and 2 day pass rules. If you go to alpha-trades.com, you can see all their rules. I like them a lot. You can have 4 accounts, I believe. And you can use code JDUN for the best possible discount. I appreciate the support. I'll put it in the YouTube chat too. If you guys want to trade with me the rest of the week, definitely a good prop firm to look at. Them and Apex. You're funny. You did make me laugh. Ooh. I wouldn't quite say reversal yet. This trend is clearly up. You don't want to fight the trend unless you get clear confirmation. Hopefully we don't just stall. Nvidia is getting a little more pullback. Let's see if we can get... No. Have a short or wait for it. I'm watching both ways. I'm not super sold in the shorts just quite yet. Not quite. Yeah, I'm not sold in the shorts. The trend is clearly up. I'm not a trend fighter unless we get clear confirmation. We get clear confirmation, we can try out. Right? I call out ES and SPY too. If I see something I like, I mean, look at this SPY chart, bro, on YouTube. There's nothing. Yep, Alpha Dash Futures. Yep. I'd put the link in YouTube too. Alpha Futures, you can use code Jdun for the best possible for 10% off. On Wednesday, though, I'll have a special discount. It will be higher than 10%, and it will be the only code in the world that gets you it. So if you're looking to save a bit more money, wait till Wednesday. In the meantime, Apex is 80% off, FFF is like almost 50% off, and Tradeify is 35% off with code JDUN. JDUN. Woo! Thanks, bro. Coach Jdun or Code? Either. I'll be Coach Jdun. Having bots of yourself is aura, not gonna lie. You're funny. You know, it's aura until they scam people. Then you have to talk to the state of Wisconsin because someone gets scammed for $500,000. Then it's not aura. Then it's, all right, hold on. These fakes are crazy. Okay, that is no mames.
Yeah, I have one green trade, one red trade. You have chance for one more. Let's see.
I still like that 900 area. This zone here with stops below like 870, I still actually like for longs.
You looking at the same area, or you done looking for
same zone? Minus some crazy selling volume.
Honestly, wasn't too much volume on that.
Call me crazy. That 5-minute chart actually looks like a decent short setup, though. We're still above the 15-minute high. We're right at it, so I don't short at previous supports. Resistance turn support unless we break it down.
Well, that would have been an entry there, right?
No, I'm still waiting for 8 or 900 area. Personally, I'm in honestly no rush to take any trades today. Don't. We're just holding that 15-minute high aggressively. We hit it to a T.
I thought you would enter there.
Nope, not
more risk. You just want a little better risk reward.
Yeah, we already touched too close. Not till my zone. Hit my zone, I will. Well, maybe not now, since we bounced that 15-minute high perfectly.
Get a strong close above that 24,960 area. I may consider longs there.
Don't know.
I cannot believe I hesitated on
Make
doubting myself.
Yeah, I was about to.
I thought good. Do I take trades on here? Yes, I do. I'm just selective. I don't trade. I don't.
Would you say, Greg? I couldn't hardly understand you there.
I was about to.
The people in the
Take the
background
longs
called
around
2 mega Ls. That's just
928.
not true. Greg started out with a solid winner. Grizzly had a solid winner, and then Greg had a loser on shorts. So that's just if you're gonna speak, you got to call facts. Don't listen to me. Go back and rewatch the recording of the live after on YouTube. There's been no trades for me though. Make love to our windows. The GOATs. They're the GOATs. We got the best trading team. As a reminder, if you're new here, every single day I go live, literally Monday through Friday for you guys. If you're looking to learn how to trade, build a side income, make money from your phone or computer, well, mostly computer. Phone's a little tough. I don't like to say that. Make sure you guys hit that follow button in the top left corner on TikTok. I'm also live on YouTube, Jdun Trades. I appreciate y'all supporting me. If you're trading with prop firms, getting your footing and learning, you can use code JDUN with Apex or Alpha Futures. Those are the two I have in the description today. If you guys click below, I really like Alpha Futures. Reminds me a lot of Top Step if you trade with Top Step, and Apex is the most scalable. So if you've ever traded with Top Step and you'd like to try a new one, it's a bit cheaper. Use code JDUN with Alpha. For Alpha Futures, I like both the advanced and standard are fine. There's also no consistency rule in the advanced plane either, which is kind of cool. They have Trade of A and Project X. Yep. Molly my beat. Zero plan looks cool too. I've never tried it. But one day pass, that's cool. And what? That's some nice volume there. Looks like we want to keep going up. Honestly, if I had to recommend you one, I'd recommend the advanced plan on alpha. Because you have no consistency rule unfunded. I don't like consistency rules. I mean, I'll do it, but... Molly my beat. Where'd Gene go? Where did Mr. Gene go? I got a question for y'all, Team Bowl. Did you all follow your homework? Did you guys do something positive for yourself this weekend? That was my only ask of y'all. If you did something positive for yourself, you build discipline in your daily life. You build discipline in your trading. So many positives. Raul says yes. Tyler says yes. Holy Grail says yes. C. Price went to the woods. That's a positive. Toby says yes. Last thing I'm going to say for a bit about Alpha Futures. On Wednesday, I will have a massive discount. We're doing an exclusive quote-unquote launch sale. Obviously, you guys know I partnered up with them. They're a firm you guys can trust. They have my backing. But on Wednesday, I'm doing a hard launch, and I'll have a discount code that's bigger than the entire industry. So, if you've been waiting to get in a bit cheaper and try some accounts, load up on some accounts for cheaper, Wednesday, I'll have your back. Yes, sir. Why is my book map not working? What the heck? NQ. Something's wrong with my book map. Do what you want and do what you want. I know, it literally just won't work today. Something's wrong with my book map today. I don't know what it is. Sober October, I like that. Yo, Nigel, that's dope, bro. You came so far, man. I'm super proud of you. Started this TPT Pro account last Monday, up 5K in a week. About to take a nice payout today to start off the week. Hey, let's go, bro. That's dope. Team Bull traders getting payouts. That's what I'm talking about.
That's right.
Mastermind 7. Yes, let's go. I treated myself because of you. Bought a brick. Thanks for the motivation. That's not what I thought you were going to say for treating yourself, but just be careful, bro. What? Thought you were going to be like, I treated myself. I got my mom a nice massage. I went on vacation. No, bro. All right. Bob the Builder in the house. And I know you're not talking building houses. I know what you mean by brick. Come on now. You got to remember. You know where I came from, right? You've seen the mugshot. You know where I came from. My charge was the alleged possession of over 50 pounds of leaves. Of autumn leaves of 50 to 100 pounds of leaves. You ain't getting one by me, my boy. The alleged. Alleged. You feel me? Sorry, feds watching. You ain't getting no confessions today, my boy. You ain't getting no confessions from me. Hey, Puma, that's dope. Let's go. Four absolutely epic years with Team Bull this month. Thank you for being here so long, Pumbaa. You're amazing, bro. Our energy's been immaculate lately. We've been crushing it. As I promised y'all, I'm gonna be bringing back options trading here too. I didn't see any trades on SPY today. I'm gonna have it up on the screen share though from now on. If you didn't notice that I had NASDAQ on the left and I had SPY on the right. So I just like how SPY options move more. They have more volume than QQQ options. Yo, and as a reminder, everyone in the live streams, 1 week from today, my 3-day free masterclass starts October 6th, 7th, and 8th. It is 100% free. So if you'd like access to that to transform your trading, if you're tired of losing, if you're tired of feeling pain every day, if you're tired of guessing, if you're tired of mismanaging your system, make sure you guys register for my 3-day free masterclass. You can also DM me on Instagram if you'd like access. It's Jdun Trades. Send me a DM and mention that you're from the free live stream and you'd like access to the masterclass. Yeah, if you're October 6, 7. Yeah, if you'd like access to be 6, 7 in October, whatever the hell that means, then send me a DM. I'm down. How could this happen? Yeah, 6, 7 masterclass. But for real, you can. The only place I answer DMs is on IG. For your safety, it's verified with 265K followers. This is what or 266K followers. This is what my profile looks like. So type in Jdun Trades, click message, and send me a DM mentioning that you'd like access to the 3-day free masterclass. I got you. I don't believe the masterclass will be private. Just make sure you guys get registered. It's in the pinned comment on YouTube, guys. It's going to be valuable, I promise. If you're questioning if it's going to be worth your time, I get it. Your time's valuable. It's the most valuable asset you have. It's even more valuable than if you were to pay for a masterclass, right? Go to my YouTube and go to my most recent webinar that I posted. Where is it? Master Trading Psychology and Dominate with Orb plus VPA. Free 90-minute masterclass. Go watch that and tell me that's not valuable. Then you'll know. Trust me, he's goated. Appreciate you, bro. What you got going on the rest of the day, Grizzy Glock?
I'm looking for loans now. Just waiting for price action here around this one. Between 941. Just waiting. Looking now.
Let's see. Maybe we get the pullback here. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Come on, give the reversal. Give the reversal. I love me some shorts. I don't know if it will. I'm not in the mood to fight the trend, but it'd be nice to see.
And Q's just hanging out now.
Like long, I'm just waiting a little bit more down. Because I start watching this on 941, I would like to go 928 to consider the long.
Don't. What'd you say, Mr. Greg?
I'm looking 928 because I like the longs, but I like a little more lower.
Do I like this price action? Not really. The price action I'm looking forward to is going to the gym today. Some action in the gym. Loving the shorts at 8 feet is diabolical. I'm getting pretty close to there. Daughter left her backpack in wifey's car, so I'm off to grab it at the office. Love Team Bull. See you later. See you, bro. I can't lift without caffeine. You can. It's all in your mind. As I say that, I have a non-stim pre-workout I really like by Transparent Labs. There's no artificial colors or flavorings. I'm a freak with that stuff. I don't do artificial colors. I don't do artificial flavorings. I don't do processed sugar. None of that. Can I join Team Bull once I touch 1 mil? You can join Team Bull at $1. For mindset, at least. You're not going to be able to do much with $1, but I stick by the phrase, you become rich in your mind long before your bank account. You become rich in your mind long, long before your bank account. I understand that rich and wealth is a number, but it's also a mindset. You can't get rich with a poor mindset. It's like you can't become a profitable trader with a negative mindset. If you're always down on yourself and self-sabotaging, it's going to be very tough to build a profitable trading system. Extremely tough. That's what we focus on here. Discipline over dopamine. I quit nicotine. I thought it would be impossible without it. Now I am 5 years without. Yep, that was a big thing quitting nicotine is there's so many limiting and lying beliefs your mind will tell you. Oh my gosh, how am I ever going to eat a meal again without nicotine after? Oh my gosh, how am I ever going to go to a sports game? How am I ever going to go to a social event and not vape? They're all lies. They're all lies that your mind tells you. How am I going to quit nicotine and go through withdrawals trading? Well, then just don't trade for 3 days. The market's going to be here on day 4. Don't trade for a week. I'd rather you get your discipline right and take a week off of trading than sit there and battle with it, right? People forget that. The market's not going anywhere. We're day traders. We're not trade everyday traders.
My gun coming in the mail, by the way.
What?
Thank you, Longs. Thank you.
You're trying the longs?
Yes.
Greg's in the longs. What were you saying, Grizzly?
That gum in the mail that you had, I'm going to try it today.
You know what really helped me was the toothpicks. I just got to re-up, too. I just got to re-up with the toothpicks.
Entry 948, guys. 948, stop loss is 28.
I just got a brick of toothpicks. I go and I buy the whole damn thing from Whole Foods. Or not Whole Foods, excuse me, from Sprouts. Oh, you know we got the mints. My Zins aren't going anywhere. Well, they don't have to, bro. I'd rather you do Zins than vape. 1,000,000 times over. I love these toothpicks.
You don't dip though, right, Jdun?
What's up, bro?
You don't dip, right? You don't use the Zins.
I don't use nicotine. I'm too addicted to it, bro. My personality type is like an alcoholic with alcohol. Bro, I love nicotine too much, so I can't use it. I haven't had nicotine in since 2018, so almost 7 years. Or that's not true. It was 2019.
I used to like nicotine as well. I didn't smoke though.
I got my toothpick and look like a hillbilly. My name is Jdun Trades. I'm from Nebraska, and I love to churn me some corn and butter.
I see you with like a straw hat on, chewing on a piece of straw. Overalls. What is this price action? Come on.
I know. The only problem with these mint toothpicks is that sometimes they're really strong. Like you'll get a dose of mint and you're like, whoa. Makes your eyes water type shit. I'm like a gerbil with these things, bro. Like if you come to my desk after I'm done trading, you already think there was a hamster running around. By how many of these things I'll chew. Literally like a gerbil. Munch, 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 munch. Munch, munch, munch. As a reminder, guys, Apex is still 80% off too. So if you're looking for the most scalable firm, make sure y'all tap in. Use code JDUN for up to 20 accounts at a time with Apex. And with Apex, you get payout protection as well. So when you use code JDUN, if you follow the rules, you're getting paid. I'll fight for your payout with everything I can. I've gotten multiple people that are payouts that were paused. I just put the link in YouTube chat. Code JDUN gets you payout protection. If you get to your payout and there's any problems, I got your back. They're going to know you're coming from my stream. They know I have a very large following. As long as you follow the rules, you'll get paid.
$10 profit now. Keep holding.
I've taken no trades so far. I do have 20 accounts, but I don't recommend 20 for you to start. I just like to say that. You know, a lot of people will say, go buy 20 accounts, go buy 40 accounts with my code. That's not me. If you can't pass one account, you can't pass 20. If you want to copy trade multiple accounts, I recommend maybe like 5. Right? 5 is a good number because you don't you don't put yourself out there buying 20 and then blowing them off, something goes wrong. I want you guys to be careful and have longevity in this, right? So if you really want to copy trade, maybe max 5. You have 18 accounts funded. That's great. You can handle that. That's amazing. A lot of people can't, unfortunately. I need each and every one of y'all to clear your calendars October 6th, 7th, and 8th. That evening, I'm hosting a free masterclass each night on my trading strategy, my system, and all things discipline over dopamine. You're number 2 in my fan club. Tony, you're a goat. You're always here. You copy trade through Apex. Or through Apex. Through Trade of 8. Ugh. Donate plasma to afford your accounts. I donated plasma twice in my life. I swear to you, I will be homeless again before I do that. I hate needles. I mean, I can do tattoo needles, clearly. Like, I can get yadded. But not plasma needles, bro. You guys like the Rolly? You guys like the Starbucks? I got the green, not green face, but the green band. Got the Starbucks on. I've been on your lives for the past 2 months daily. Well, thank you for that, Juner. Hopefully I pronounced that right. And wow, I'm a lot more disciplined. Thank you for being here every morning. Make it a part of your daily routine. Jonathan, you're a goat too. You've been here forever, bro. All you guys that tune in every day, I just want you to know I'm very thankful for you guys being here. I do my best to help you guys every single day. Even beyond trading, I want you guys to live a more disciplined life. That's why I encourage you every day to do something positive for yourself. Eat a healthy meal, go to the gym, read 5 pages of a book, meditate. Build consistent daily habits that will impact your trading in a positive way. 2 weeks and doing a lot better overall. That's awesome, Crypto Trucker. Thank you for being here, bro. Is Jdun a goat? I mean, you ask around. I'm never going to call myself the goat. I do my best every day. I do my best to be my best every day. They're definitely very helpful. Thank you, bro. I'm new. I'm here every day. I wish you would answer my question. When do you think we see a correction? Honestly, bro, I can't tell you that in good faith. It's tough to say. I think that sometime in 2026 we'll see a decent move down. We also don't know, barring any sort of big news, right? I can't predict a black swan. I signed up for the 3-day course. I can't wait. Let's go, Juner. I'm excited to have you guys there. Government shutdown is not going to do anything. You know how many times the government's shut down or threatened to shut down? Come on. I've also been testing out this new options prop firm. How many of you guys trade options here? You know what I didn't realize? I was talking to this quant the other day, and he was telling me that there's actually a lot more retail volume in options than there is futures. It's pretty crazy, huh? Apex didn't stop all payouts. And so I've been testing this options prop firm. I really like the rules. And you know what's cool too? Is that with this firm, you can get payouts on day 1 of your pro account. As long as you hit consistency, you can trade options and get daily payouts every single day. They've never denied a payout. And they've paid out multiple 6 figures in their first year, which is pretty cool. So I'm doing some research. I have a meeting with their CEO tonight. So if I'm going to back a prop firm, I put my reputation on the line, right? So I got to make sure everything's solid in the back end for the traders. But I might have something cool for you guys. We can trade together with options too very soon. Telling y'all right now, though. Buy more Bitcoin. I love Bitcoin.
Oh man, what a patient.
I love me some Bitcoin. I'm a huge optimist.
I think I'm gonna call it a day, Team Bull. We had the one winning trade together. Yeah, I don't want to sit here and try to catch a trade in this. Price action's not it. I think we call probably the best, the only setup I liked of the morning. I missed that retest.
1 of 1 funding. I don't even think they're still a prop firm, bro. I think they went under.
Hey, I'll be back in the morning.
What up, Turbo? You got a big following.
We can catch another winning trade together.
Keep doing the thing. Oh, whoops.
See you, Greg, Jdun.
See you, bro. Goodbye, my bro.
Take care, man.
I shot you a follow, Mr. Turbo. Keep crushing it with the content, man. No trade callouts for me today. Mondays are my worst day, though, guys. I mean, if you rock with me every day, you know that. I just don't trade Mondays super well. I also didn't have my glasses either. I blame the glasses. Grandma accidentally took my glasses home this weekend. No, I don't have. I don't have glasses, or I don't have jorts on today. I got my sweatpants. Oh, Galaxy, my bro. I'm about to join your live and send you a Galaxy now. Slingshot Galaxies back and forth. Me slinging Galaxies left and right. My bro sent 2. Damn, we're gonna be singing those like hotcakes. Appreciate you, bro. Welcome to the live. Keep doing your thing, man. Very nice. I like that. I got about, I'll probably stick around like 20, 25 more minutes. I probably won't stay till 9:30 or 11:30 Eastern time. When I die, yeah, it's just for me. My stats just say I don't trade well Mondays. I don't know why. I just don't. My most profitable days are Tuesday through Friday. There is an activation fee with Apex. It depends on what they have running, what kind of discount they have running. But typically it's like 105 or 140. Sometimes they'll run $85 discount. I think right now it's only 85.
Yeah, guys, no problem.
I'll just play this song. All right, let's see if they give us a trade setup here. I don't trust this. Yep, code Jdun gets you the best possible discount always. Zam, appreciate you using it. She said I entered code Jdun. No way a 50K account is that cheap. I like the 50Ks for you guys and the 150Ks.
Okay, guys, done for today. And see you tomorrow. Please take care. Trade smart and trade safe. Have a good day.
Sweat me out. What's your thoughts on UNH? I mean, the sector is good long term. You know how I feel about health insurance. I think it's the biggest racket in America. I've said since day one, there's a few issues, but one in particular that no matter what side of the political spectrum you're on, I feel like everyone can agree. Health insurance is a damn scam. These companies are rackets, bro. Absolute rackets. Scams. Absolute scams. I'm not saying having health insurance is a scam. Having health insurance is a great thing, but these companies are so damn fraudulent. That's what I'm saying. Our health system is just horrible. Well, I mean, our health care quality is great, but our health system, in terms of price and what we get, is horrible. In my opinion. That's all obviously opinion, but we pay all these taxes, and what do we get? Denials by our health care insurance. That's what we get. Yep, that's one thing I feel like everyone can agree on. Like, and what's the solution to it? Honestly, I don't know. I have no clue. Let's see what we do here. There's no solution that's run by the government. 5 days trading with you. Hey, let's go, Bella. 5 days trading with you and passed my take profit eval. That's awesome. Don't. At some point, the market's got to sell. Yeah, but I mean, not necessarily. I mean, eventually, yes, we'll go down, but on a day-to-day basis, I mean, we could very well. I don't know what we're going to do right here, right? But hypothetically speaking, we've held this 15-minute high extremely well. So if we hold this and continue up, we likely trend up. I've been waiting to see this bounce around 900 all morning. I'd love to see this bounce around 900 still. I'd love to see it. Where do I begin? Part of the reason why I believe so heavily in Bitcoin is because of how much money we've printed in the last 5 years. There's only ever going to be 21 million Bitcoins, of which the last Bitcoin will be mined around 2144. So that being said, I'm a Bitcoin optimist. Will you tell me? You know, people always try to counter my Bitcoin argument with, oh, well, it's not backed by anything. Well, what's your dollar backed by? What's your fiat backed by? Nothing. Ever since we went off the gold standard, it's just been nothing but inflation. Nothing. It's backed by the faith and trust in the U.S. government and Federal Reserve. Are you kidding me? Do you have faith and trust fully in the U.S. government and Federal Reserve? I'm not so sure I do. That's why I love Bitcoin so much. Yeah, Chris Johnson made me over $500,000, Vic. I've told him that multiple times, bro. He really taught me a lot of what I know about Bitcoin. I talked to Chris quite a bit. We're good. Well, I wouldn't say good friends, but we're good acquaintances online. That man taught me so much about Bitcoin, bro. He got me into it years ago when I started buying. He's been killing it with his health too. I'm super happy to see it for him. That boy's getting ripped. Getting ripped, sitting on 10 milli plus a Bitcoin. He's vibing. I don't mind. I just buy it. I buy it almost every day. I'm not going to say every day because I don't. I'll figure it some days, but like randomly. Like right now. We're talking about Bitcoin, so I'll go. Mind you, I move most of my Bitcoin to cold storage. But I'll go to Coinbase. Bitcoin, 114K. Cool, let's buy $1,000 worth. Just stack it. 1,000, boom. Order submitted. Just like that. Whoops. $1,000 worth. Something light. Dun, dun. I use Bitcoins for savings. Is there a seed phrase still if my cold storage breaks? Yep. I'm going to get the 0 account on Alpha with your code. Thank you, bro. I appreciate you using my code, man. Thank you so much. It means the world. I hope you enter code Jdun and you think discipline over dopamine. Hopefully it's the only time you have to use it because you pass, you get paid out, and eventually get moved to live. That's my goal for all you guys. But yeah, Alpha Futures, I just got a partnership with. So if you're trading with Alpha Futures or you're interested in getting an account, they're just like Top Step, but have a lot. I think they're a little better for a few reasons. Make sure you use code Jdun. Yeah, Ledger's cool. Ledger's fine. Cold Card's good. Ledger and Cold Card are both cool. If you have over 6 figures worth of Bitcoin, you gotta be on. If you have over 1 Bitcoin, you should have cold storage. I posted a screenshot on my account back in the day when I had like 1.5 million worth of Bitcoin on the exchange, and my buddy called me. He's like, "You're a dumbass. Get that on cold storage right now." And I'm like, I'm sorry. So we got it on cold storage. I keep a little bit on the exchange now, but I mostly just buy it and move it to cold storage. It's really not that confusing either. If you spend like an hour learning about it and doing it, order the cold card. It's not that difficult. So cold storage is like when you withdraw cash from the bank and you put it in your safe, right? You can take your crypto off the exchange and put it in your cold card. I like Treasure, and then cold card's cool. Yeah, cold card from CoinKite's cool too. What do you say, Gene? Think we're going lower? Gene thinks we're going to 900.
Where's your grandma? We need her.
Well, I think her strategy only works at open.
That shoots that long when it shoots primary.
I got about 20 more minutes trading, guys. It depends. My cold card I have is only for Bitcoin, yes. But there is ones, I believe, and don't quote me on this. I think Trezor you can have more than Bitcoin. There is cold cards that you can have like meme coins, even NFTs, right? I'm not advocating ever for NFTs. I think they're the dumbest thing in the world. But bro, I knew the top was in back in the day when people started buying digital land. When people were buying virtual land in the metaverse, I knew that society was that might have been the top, bro. Virtual land, guys, come on. Wild. Hey, Babar, I appreciate you being here, but I don't take people onto the live. You got to stop or I'm going to have to mute you, bro, in the most respectful way. Please don't spam the chat. We don't want to mute you, man. Just come and vibe. Ledger. Yep. Yeah, Ledger too you can hold. Yep. Hey, all I know is that tonight, I'm very sorry in advance if you're a Bengals fan, because my Broncos are about to whoop that ass, my boy. Excuse my language. Monday Night Football, my Broncos are about to cook. Yep, Burrow's out. Y'all are cooked. With turf toe. Damn, Gene, look at us. We're falling. I should have taken your signal. All right, let's see here. Hold on. We're getting close to pre-market high. What's this? 893? Wait, where's my... We just hit it. 909, that's what I'm saying. I'm going to try a small piece of longs, guys. This area right here. Keep it about very small. Keep it about a 15, 20 point stop on it. This is the area I've been waiting for all day. Trying a small piece, keeping my risk very minimal. I've been waiting on this zone all day, so it's worth a try for me. This 915 area is what I like. If we dip below 905, 895, I'll stop out. I like this whole zone though. And very light risk for me. 893 actually is going to be my stop. 893 is my stop. So, went very, very light. Only got just under $500 worth of risk on. If you want a little better entry, it's down here in this zone. On this 900 area. This is the best area. You have about 10 points of risk here. Is it going to stop me out at 893? Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't you dare do it. Don't you dare do it. Don't you dare do it. Don't lose me my 500. Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it. 893. Come on. Find some support in here. Find some support in here. Where's my trade evade for? Did it just? Wow. I look over a second. It just got my stop, guys. 893. I'm out of that trade. I tried it. Probably should have just waited. It's Monday. It's honestly not surprising. I blame the glasses. I'll look over for a second. I'm trying to get my my other trade evade pulled up, and it is not. Where'd it go? Where'd it go? Wow. I swear, if it pings me down there and then rips, I'm going to be salty. I'm going to be so salty. Don't you dare do it. Don't you dare do it. Sorry, guys. I really thought we had something special cooking there. Nope. What do you think, Gene? Do we go low a day now? Or is it going to do some bullshit? If we close down here, technically speaking, and pop back up, that we could look for a short entry. The close below the 15-minute high and below that pre-market high. I'm probably going to just skip out on it, though. Mondays are my worst day. Proves time and time again, Mondays are just, if I could only trade Mondays, I'd be cooked. Have to find the nearest McDonald's. Tuesday through Friday, though, we're eating caviar. Tuesday through Friday, we eating caviar. This actually looks decent for a short setup now. Aggressive selling volume. We pop back up into the zone. Maybe the stops above like 920. One more pop up into this 900 area. I'll look for shorts. After that, if I lost, I'd be at full, or I'd be at half my loss limit for the day, around 1,000, and be done for the day. Damn. Damn. Honestly, though, that zone looked super solid. Let's see if we can get a pop back up into this previous high, or like 900. And if we just nuked up from there, then my system's cooked today. That's what I'd say. I'd say my system's cooked today. Time is at 9:17. Got about 15 more minutes, then I'm out of here. Come on, let's see here. Selling pressure looks good to the downside. And it looks very good. I wanted to see it pop back up into like this 900 area for a lower high. I don't think we're going to get it though. It's not looking great. We'll see. What's the high here? 895, 70. We got 45 more seconds. Damn, that's crazy. BLS plans not to release economic data during government shutdown. We might not get NFP on Friday. That's crazy if the government shuts down. That's wild. We very well could get London lows. That would be nice, wouldn't it? Wouldn't it? $80, $920. Come on, a little more move up. I don't know when the government's supposed to shut down. When do they have to get a deal passed to shut down? Make me alive. I took one loss. The team had some wins, some losses. I took one small loss. But I followed my plan, so it's not technically a loss in terms of plan. I'd love to see him move into this lower high here. I'll feel you. See if we can get this area in here for a nice trade. See if we can get this lower high in this fair value gap. Maybe around like 895 to 905 would be sick. What up, gamer? Come on, a little higher. Don't just touch up there, then go down. Come on. Don't do that. Don't do that. Don't do that. Don't do it. Don't go up without us. Or don't go down without us. Let's see. I'd be careful. Be careful with the longs. Be careful with both sides at this point, but just be careful longing without a clear stop. If you long, you got to keep your stops below like 863. I'd love to start the downtrend. That'd be great. You were right, Mr. Gene. We went down. We went, baby, are you down? Damn, Malik Neighbors is out for the season. That hurts. Damn. That sucks. Malik Neighbors out for the season. That hurts. You were very right. You said I was really effing right. Not just right. You were really, really effing right. That's awesome. Where did it say? What? At like Yep.
60 points down.
You were 60 points right.
They blocked tonight.
I know, bro. You hate to see it, bro. You hate to see it. This looks like it wants a low a day. I'm going to start a little piece of shorts here, guys. Near 70. Just a little piece with hope for a shot to low of day at 45. Can add it. Well, the best area is around 75 to 80. And I like the 70 area. If I lose this above 895, then I'm done for the day. If you want to wait for a little less risky entry, just wait for like 75. I did nibble on a piece though. Looks like we want to get an aggressive move below 60. This is my entry area, guys, at the 70. So there's about 25 points of max risk here for me. Getting moves down. I got like 9 points there. Just want to see more. I want to see on the low of day. I want to see down to the low of day. Dum, 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 da, dum, da, dum. Don't, da, don't. Come on. Push it below 60. Time is, oh, it's already past my time I'm supposed to go. Come on, give us a just quick aggressive move down. Give us a news candle down to 45. There we go. Come on, break down that 60. Depending on entry, up 10 to 15 points. I'm not trimming, but so far I haven't trimmed. You can manage how you see fit. It's later in the day, so I'd like to see a low day out of this. Hopefully it doesn't give us some double bottom a little early. I'm going to set my stops at break even though, guys. I'm going to set my stops at 70 just in case. So worst case is it's a break even trade. Best case is we get a low a day. Up about 15 points so far. It's later in the day. It's a Monday. Mondays are traditionally my least profitable day. So my stops are at break even. I'll just get stopped out if we go back up. You're up 10 plus points so far. Hopefully we can get low a day out of this. I'd like to see more. Come on. My stops are at break even, guys. So you manage to see fit. It's up about 12, 15 points depending on your entry. I'd like to see 20 plus for a trim. 20 plus. As a reminder for each of you guys, make sure you guys are registered for my 3-day free masterclass. A week from today, in 7 days, the 3-day free masterclass starts. October 6th, 7th, and 8th. Make sure y'all tap in, hit that register button in the announcements. I'll post it again too. Oh no, don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it. Go down. Go down. There we go. Come on, go down. Go down. Come on. We almost hit 20 points. You can feel free to trim if you'd like. I'm actually going to take a little bit off here at about 15 points. I changed my mind because I'm going to get off soon. My remaining stops are at break even. Took a little bit off here, down 55 or 56. And my stops are still at break even. So I'd like to see lower, but I don't trust this price action. I'll still end the day slightly red if I get stopped out, which is fine. As a reminder, guys, if you're on TikTok, make sure you guys tap in, hit that follow button in the top left corner. I trade live for you every single day. And if you're on YouTube, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button and that like. It means the absolute world to me, and I do my best to help you guys pass, get funded, and get paid every day. Come on. Move down. Come on, move down. Come on, move down further. We hit that 50. Make sure you guys' stops are at break even. Make sure your stops are at break even, guys. I'd like to see lower to low a day. I've taken one trim so far. I'd like to see lower, though, to really see a nice move. Come on. Come on. Come on. I'm taking a little more off at 50, guys. A tiny bit more off. Leave my remaining. There we go. Yo, low a day. All right, guys. I'm out of this. I'm out at 840. Let's go. Yes, sir. Let's go. That's what I'm talking about, baby. That is exactly what I wanted to see. Solid plus, almost 1.5 R. That's what I'm talking about, baby. That's what we wanted to see, and we are back green on the day, baby. Let's go. Let's go, money team. It's not crazy. It's not going to get the Lambo, but we got it, baby. Let's go. Come on now. I'm just glad I could get you guys a winner after that first loser. Let's go. We are breaking the Monday curse. And literally a perfect exit at the bottom. Literally a perfect all out at the bottom. Absolutely perfect all out at the bottom. We'll take it green for a Monday. We will take it. We'll see how they maybe bounce here. We're going to see. That was awesome, guys. All right, well. Hey, that's awesome. Thanks, Jdun. Took a decent L on the first one, back barely in profits after the second. Nice, bro. That's what we do here. Small losses and big wins. The reason I like that trade too, that's the important part, is the education here. It was we broke this structure to the downside. I tried that long, got stopped out. We retested back up, failure to go higher, had the entry in this zone with stops above this trend-setting candle and this previous support turn resistance, and we catch the nice move to the downside. So that's the education behind it. Not crazy, but for options or futures, decent scalp. Let's go. The trash man's here. That's what I'm talking about. Take my trash. Take my trash out. Red to green. Let's go. All right, y'all. I'm going to go ahead and mob out of here. Trade smart, trade safe. I may be back on for Power Hour. Probably not. It's possible. Probably not going to happen, though. Trade smart, trade safe, everybody. Hopefully, you all had a blessed day. And remember to get registered for my 3-day free masterclass. I put it in the announcements tab in Discord, everybody. I'll put the link in chat, too, for those listening. It's going to be a game changer. Trade smart, trade safe, and I'll see you guys on the flip side. God bless. Peace. All right, TikTok and YouTube. As a reminder, make sure you guys hit that follow button in the top left corner. I trade for you guys every single day. I help you guys make money. I help you guys learn how to trade. I want you guys to own your time and own your discipline. So appreciate y'all being here. Make sure you guys hit that follow button. If you're on YouTube, I trade live on YouTube every day as well. Make sure you guys subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the flip side. I'm about to go make a Jdun bowl. If you want to see what a Jdun bowl is, you can follow my personal Instagram at Jdun. It's not about, there's nothing to do with trading there. It's all business and my personal life and lifestyle. If you go to Instagram and type in Jdun, if you're looking to learn how to build an online business, build a personal brand, make money online in ways besides trading, that's what I teach there. I built Team Bowl into an absolute powerhouse, got over 1 million followers across social media, and now I teach other people how to build their online business and brand too. So, and I post some of my my food stuff and fitness stuff. So if you're interested in that, go to Jdun on Instagram, and I'll see you guys on the flip side. God bless y'all. Peace, everybody. I'll see you guys tomorrow morning at Market Open, 9:30 a.m. Eastern Time. God bless.